Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Presiden ka TMC Meghalaya uba Charles Pingrop ulapan tikina ba Baroh ki MLA jong kaseng Aitc kinde ki Kyrtong ki Ïakhun ya ka Ilekshon kabanwan na kaseng. Habaya kren bat kilat patay kubor uba Pingrop ulay tu bahaswa ban kod unay wing kaseng kan sapen banano ya kalis baningkong jong ki Kyrtong kibalatik na Ïakhun ya ka Ilekshon jong snam arhajar arpulay. Kani kan nongru kum kakabu bakin yok por banet cekipat ba. Uniyo nong yalam ulay to bakaseng kadan ya kajingtmu ban Ïakhun habaro ki henry phautili ki constituency henry kamwat bakaseng kan chujiet kolmar ki briu ki bamla ban chakri ya ki pat ba.
Because they have also been approached by various parties. After all, they are a sizable vote bank who can influence the youth. And not only the youth, but the general population as well. Therefore, this is an indication that the party is growing in leaps and bounds in various corners of the state.
Very close, 3.5 months now. Whether the first list of the candidates will be released shortly?
We expect that by the end of November, we should have the first list ready. And it will be in our efforts, in our interest, to make sure that the list of candidates who are confirmed will have ample time to reach out to the public, which they are already doing now. And therefore, there should not be a problem with that.
You will be putting up candidates in all 60?
Our intentions are for all 60, but perhaps we just don't want to also select candidates who may not be in the capacity to serve the people. And so therefore, we'll have to be a little selective with that.
All the sitting MLAs will be given ticket?
Yes, as of now, yes.
But there are one or two who are not willing to understand.
Well, we haven't got the information because the process of getting themselves acquainted or feeling that this party is the right party to be with in the coming elections, that is still on.
So
if the government is willing to do away with the Gambling Act, then obviously that must have come under some consideration. The people of the state of Meghalaya will not accept this. Therefore, it has to, without taking the sentiments of the people into consideration, any action will be detrimental. Right?
is it because that they are having an election to get some votes?
Well, the people know the intentions of this government. So that is why you're going to see a change. The very fact when it was introduced should have been an indication that they should have anticipated that this type of act will not be in the interest of the people of the state.
So, TMC, do you see it as a small little victory for the party? At least that you have been able, that the government has announced today that there will be repeal.
It's not a victory, nor is it a loss. We have only reflected and articulated and made it known to the people of the state and Meghalaya that we are against this. So it is a victory of the people that has eventually, who has gained? The people have gained. And in that discourse, if there is a cascading effect towards our party, then we welcome it. A number of youths who are from different social organizations have come to join with us to work together and bring a change in our society, in our political scenario, especially taking into consideration the elections that are due in 2023. Now, this is just a small group. In fact, there was a large number going to come, but since we couldn't accommodate them at the same time, we decided to have only the leaders of the different organizations who cover most of the Khasi and Jaintia Hills region of the state to come and join with us and take the message forward that we want to be the change, and they are willing to partner with us in our endeavor to do so.
Which are the organizations?
Oh, they are from different, we didn't ask them, but they are youth who have worked in different organizations, NGOs, who have been helping the youth in their different fields. So we did not ask them which organization. They just youths and from the entire region. Just the leaders have come, and so we have asked them that today they joined us formally.
So we're getting in Khasi and Gentiles. Do you think you'll prove them wrong and spring a surprise?
See, that is a narrative which is prevalent for any political party. Well, the NPP doesn't have a solid government in most constituencies. Neither has the UDP or any other political party. But considering that we are just such a new party and having a base in every constituency, no matter how big or small, is an indication that the people are accepting us. And as the days go by, the acceptance of the public is growing in leaps and bounds. Because the narrative is, okay, we have seen this party, we have seen that. How about trying this party? That's all natural human behavior. And even I believe that will be among the the press corps also.
Given the fractured mandate, what is any pre-poll alliance you are planning?
Not as yet. But any like-minded parties, we are willing to work with. Or they invite us, we work.
There will be pre-poll or post-poll?
I presume there will be all post-poll. Because since our intention is to fight every seat, obviously it cannot be a pre-poll alliance.
So the government is willing to...